Okay, FM 101.7.
Honorable Simon Osemensa, Ashanti Regional Minister. Now, many ntwetwe enkomo. Governor of Ashanti Mimwachi. Afi nkometu afi se na nyame gusu hira na niema ekoyie pa. Na wo so mbom ti sen.
Akokra me hoye.
Woye. Na de yatie ni se school ewo Ashanti region. Na kwada de agba ani yesi school no kro resekefo mo atum club ya Asante technical institute aseden. Eba ne sen na nsem sitie.
Yo me that me chairman achieve onyina. No kwenya me ni many that be na CL no ma bakra. Na omo frame me early in the morning. Me sorry na me say me text messages every day. Ti me frame back no me say Krobia Asante Technical and Vocational School. War Asokori, if you Asokori, almost I demonstration and I do. If we bear 11 p.m. About to see an upper bear 2-3 a.m. Access near mine. You almost send in a picture. To hear pictures, which is a new night. And to the one, I'm a consult to some few members of the Regional Committee Council. And we agreed that I was here to school. Now, committee. Na committee, against me. So I got in touch with the Minister for Education, Honorable Dr. Ya Oseduchu, and may get in touch also with the chairman of TVET Council. So this is a decision we have taken. And they say, by close of day today, the members of the committee are elected. Now, mobile investigation into it. Some of the terms of reference, they include almost ready the demonstration, by a choir almost here. The house master, the head, Nimpen informed almost one thing in them. Such level of distraction. By normal TV, please have former name present. And a put for the bread bank we have to look at all this. Now, Monsan value and Yama or my saying, and none of the committee report no bar, then we take a decision on it. Already, students need your please watch one man, so screening or now, or more ethically active involvement. About out, education minister Jitumwa. Media imagine we have to charge them to serve as a deterrent. I don't must say PI moment here. So my friend school who PIA or moment here because who grievance you approach the appropriate authority. And the main TTC see across the basis of the demonstration. Now, of course, school has a penny will be a failure. Say, I'm back. You got demonstration on. When you're on Saturday, Namoko passes, say, we are moving there. Teacher for us on Chirema, report to the appropriate authority. You know, get up now. Sorry, now I quiet this. What's a near my pass. Economy, no more, I think that. Say, pastors, pick up, forecast, one in together. And for now, they make my canon. So by close of day today, we will name a committee that will investigate the whole issue.
Now, mama pose for abem bi nipa na omo sese ne ma no so no ya frɛ wo mo a ye butu to o ma no
already no actually nipa more than 40 to 12 students no more than 40 please for to 12 man then you be hu the see ankasa me so a kwan bi on be fast bi an so my school prefect who is on the run my school prefect and assistant almost so they should interrogate them. I think they should be key figures in the demonstration. And you want to very home, you better be a home more. Now investigation. Why won't you ask them? Fine. Now for one who was 70 years, Nembra no medi.
Papa na ye kan enkwara no wo mfie between age be say.
For now, minya age limit no better. One more senior high school here, only say do na be 15 echo.
15, 16, sa ekwa. Oh, okay.
Some can even be up to 20. Depending on time and if I know
echo school. Papa na abase yie no. Mo wo nhye bi se ebere se ye bebie ana nkopim se bia investigations no akwawie.
The final decision ye education ministry no. And the couple might take a decision finally. Based on and she say Ghana Education Service for one and the better time the best in school and I better in school. But in Ghana Education Ministry of Education better.
Okay, FM 101.7.